Come on. Believe it or not, this is less than it was before. Come on, Henry. You're doing good, buddy. Good job, bud. All right, so tell her to heel on your right side. There you go. And just walk and go ahead and go back to giving her instruction. So this is Tasha, the German Shepherd. Tasha is actually already very well trained, and she had been doing e-collar heel, and it just wasn't enough. They just needed to go that extra mile and get into a board and train environment where she was surrounded by dogs every day. But it was more than that. Even with all the work the owners put in, there was some serious problem solving here to figure out what could hold her accountable, as well as calm her down and keep her from flying off the handle. Basically, it was impossible to take Tasha anywhere where there would be multiple dogs, because every dog she'd see, she'd get more and more amped up. And these people, the owners, are very active, and they want to go hiking and they want to go camping with their dog like they used to with their other dog. And she had some health issues, and she'd been attacked by another dog. Plus, she's just very driven, you know, anxious dog in general. So all these things filtered in to this mindset that made it really difficult for her to function. So our goal was just so the owners can be active with her, working on recalls on a long line at the park, and being able to go hiking and go camping and really improve her quality of life, and of course the owner's quality of life with her. And I'm really happy to say that the family has put in so much hard work, and then piggybacking what we did here at Rough Beginnings Rehab, here is the clip of her owners finally able to hike with her around other dogs. See how she does with just the walk by. Good. Good job. Oh my God, hi. Hang on just a second, Jennifer. Hi, Winnie. Right? Yep. Yes, right people. Yes, hi, Audrey.
This is Winnie's dog.
Hi.
And human trainer.
I'm working with this one over here. I left that fun clip in there because it's always fun seeing previous clients on hikes. That it was Winnie, a golden retriever I worked with for severe fear issues and just typical puppy stuff. So this was Tasha seeing yet another dog, and we're incorporating food now that she's calmed down quite a bit. But Tasha's always going to be a lot of maintenance, but she's definitely going to have a higher quality of life now. You can find us at roughbeginningsrehab.com, and you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We have daily training videos and updates every day.